I am back. Oh, my necklace is all messed up. Well, that's not much better, is it? All right. I am back. There we go. I'm back at Black Rose Chambersburg. I have a little bit more time than I did last time. Last time was a little chaotic. I'm still looking for whatnot stuff, Etsy stuff. You know the drill. I feel like they ran as soon as they saw me coming. I think I'm gonna go ahead and grab that Poodle Planter. It's only $5. A lot of the other ones I'm seeing in here are ones that I've looked at before, or on the more expensive side. You know how cheap I can be. Oh my gosh, look at that one. Oh yeah, I remember that one with the crazy eyes was expensive. I don't know if it's key worthy actually. I'm gonna keep going. Oh my gosh, I'm geeking out. Look at this planter, $1.50. And it's marked, and it's Japan. That is so cool. I've never seen one anywhere near like that. I'm obsessed with this. Why is this only $1.50? That's epic. Oh my gosh, something tells me this might be my lucky trip. Look at this Jack in the Pulpit ruffled edge vase. This thing's $15 and 20%. That is gorgeous. I love that satin glass finish, especially in that color. I'm gonna pay up for that for sure. Now I'm also looking at this little, I'm trying to balance my basket carefully. Also looking at this, this is only $3 and 20% off. I'm gonna go ahead and take that too. And then what about this pink one? This one's $2.50, but that's definitely not the same thing. I'm putting that back. Well, I know this is newer, but it's kind of cool. $2. I think I'm gonna go ahead and pick that up. I like the look of that. What in, what is this weird thing? All right, well, it's $35, so I'm definitely not gonna get it, but it's a weird handmade panda thing. Love it. All right, and what about some fake fruit? We love fruit, $6. This is kind of neat, isn't it? That's kind of a shipping nightmare. Ooh, I kind of like this cat thing. $6. It's got googly eyes. I kind of want to grab it. I'm not sure how well it would sell, but it's a cat and it's different. It's kind of weird. I love it. It's got that like Karak feeling to it. I was about to put it in my basket and I realized one of its eyes are cracked, so I can't do that. This is interesting too. What? This is a really weird piece of Mexican pottery. $12. I don't think I could get much more out of that after fees and such. These rooster bookends are pretty epic, aren't they? They're Napco, $20. After packing and everything, and fees, I can't get much more out of that. These cow banks are kind of different. $20. Oh, what is that duck squeak? This thing's hilarious. $8, well, $9, I guess. Cute, but a little bit more than I'd want to pay for resale. All right, well, I've made myself quite at home here, as I usually do. I found this flower brooch. This one's only $5, so I'm gonna get that for resale. Now, I also found a really fun set of, well, they're not a set. I made it a set. Vintage plastic bracelets. They're $5 each, which is expensive, but it's for me and it makes me happy, so whatever. I've been having a great time going through this jewelry. Most of it is pretty cheap. There's a few random flower brooches in here that are a little bit more expensive. I'm really just looking for fun brooches for whatnot. Oh my gosh, look at that weird head thing. Also stashed away. Oh, awesome. And it's the ones with the little porcelain tile. These are getting harder to find. I used to find them all the time. At $6 each. Oh, this one doesn't have a wall hanger. Oh, but still. Oh, I feel like that's an easy fix, right? For $6. Yeah, that one's broken. I should get it anyway. I'm being weird. Oh, look at this little Victorian. Oh my gosh, how did I not see the cats? I'm so focused on myself that I didn't see the cat salt and pepper shakers. Those are really fun ones. $6. Salt and pepper sold. And then I see the mushroom napkin holder, but it's got a chip. And I got the spoon rest too. I don't see any discounts. It's $8, otherwise I'd probably do it. This one's $8. I feel like I should get this. No, that one's got a chip too. Just kidding. It's all chipped. Dang. I fear I've spent most of the time shopping for myself. So when I said that I have more time, that's not really true anymore. So I'm kind of beelining to some of my favorite booths. Oh my gosh, look at these. These are epic. $45 for the pair. Never mind. Love that color though. I had to run to this booth, especially because this is where I found that planter that sold for $150. Like this one's $7.50. Oh, that's why. It's because it's severely repaired. Just kidding. I was gonna say. All right, let me pay attention. I don't have much time. This is very cool. $9.50. Unfortunately, it looks to be cracked, so I can't do that. Otherwise, I totally would, and I really like this, but that has damage too. We're gonna call this the broken booth. They probably sell online. The planter I got here that sold for $150 was had some chips and stuff too, but I don't think they did their homework on what it would sell for, even in the condition it was in. Let's see. Some bisque, yeah, broken. The broken booth. My new favorite booth. These are kind of neat. Well, this is probably like 80s, I'm assuming, but it's epic. It's $5. It's actually not broken, surprisingly. So $5 and 30% off. I'm gonna go ahead and grab that. I love risque stuff, even though it's a little bit on the newer side. All right, so next up, why is the swan in the broken booth? Do we know? It's $11 and 30% off. I feel like that's not a bad price. I kind of like the iridescent. This one's $9. I don't think I could get much more out of that though. It's this one I'm kind of interested in. I kind of want to pick that up. Well, I decided I'm gonna take a gamble with it. It's very inexpensive, so I saw one that had the luster over at Memory Lane in Hagerstown a couple weeks back, and I really liked it, and I didn't get it because I thought it was a little bit close. Ooh, look at these little miniature vases. These are $4 and 30%. Those are really cute. I think I'm gonna get these. Definitely the green one at least. I'm gonna get the green one, see how it does. I'm not really seeing too many salt and pepper shakers that weren't here the last time. The washer dryer wasn't. That's a fun set, but 15, even with the 20%, $12. Yeah, that's too close to me. I don't sell them for top dollar because they're on the more common side. Dear goodness, what are these things? Vintage set of mice. They're ugly in the best way possible. Oh my gosh. How much are they? I kind of love them. $9 and 20% off. I normally don't do brown, but they're so weird and unique that I'm going to. This is what happens when I'm crunched for time. I just start grabbing random stuff. Although it seemed to pan out all right for me the last time. What is this little? Aw, cute. I see a lot of stuff that I'm interested in, but I'm only picking up things that are really grabbing my eye because I'm not for the right price, because I'm really not in my right state of mind right now. $20 firm, that is gorgeous. $13.98. That's close, but no. I love daisies. We all love daisies. Well, I was going for the cat figurine. This one's a hobbyist one. $12, that's definitely steep. This is really pretty. $20. Okay, yeah, no. Paper mache Santa Claus, $35. There's a lot going on over here. I feel like this wasn't like this the last time. I love the little squirrel salt and pepper shakers. $6. Those are so sweet. We love squirrels. I think I'm gonna get them. Look, they've even got their original foil sticker. All right, well, once again, they're getting ready to throw me out of here. So I'm just running to a couple of my favorite booths. I already said that. Oh, to Jerry. No, it's Gibson. That's kind of neat. I like the raccoon on it. Oh my gosh. Are we ready for the reveal? love that. $15 though. All right, well, this is really the last booth I think I have time for. $6 for the bear planter. That's pretty cute. Is it like, oh, it's cracked, that's why. Oh, let me fix its flowers. So far, everything else I've seen, I know the mushroom napkin holder is so epic, but the cases are locked and it's $30. So I can't do that for resale. So far, everything else I've seen is about retail is what I was gonna say. Well, I cannot believe this is still here. I thought it was gone. I don't know, maybe I missed it before. This celluloid knotter squirrel for $9. I'm gonna get this. It's gonna have to be boxed, double boxed if I combine it with anything else because I'm so nervous about it shipping. It's so fragile. I can't even believe it's in one piece. That's incredible. I love it. Well, this bank definitely interests me. I've seen these before and I've had them, but the one with the hippo, that's hilarious. Should this be the last item I pick up before I go to the counter because they're about to kick me out of here? I don't think I could make that much off of it, but it's super unique. Maybe like a couple dollars. All right, well, I'm gonna do it. Well, I was rushing to get out of there and we had a little bit of a tragedy. I accidentally broke the lady's legs. It fell out of my bag, which is a super bummer. I kind of forgot how much I paid for everything. I think it was like $121. I also bought like $30 worth of stuff for myself. So technically, I guess it was under 100. I'm gonna get on the road and I'm gonna head home. I'm gonna enjoy this weather and I will see you guys later. I'm not sure what day this posts, so I can't tell you what my next Whatnot sale is. But if you look on my schedule, on my Whatnot site, you'll see all the stuff. I try to preload everything. All right, well, apparently I had an extra bag. I thought that was kind of light, but oh well. All right, well, I forgot what I was saying. I will see you guys tomorrow at 10 a.m. If not at a Whatnot sale. I'm not sure what day it is, but I hope you're having a good one.